Mind you, we're one lock left.
Oh yeah.
Which way?
This way.
Yeah, turn. Your turning is not going to make your car stop until the car's not moving.
Yeah.
How are you finding the 4 parkings?
It isn't as hard as it looks.
Uh-huh.
And you will end up where you want to end up eventually.
Okay. Now this time I would like you to do the forward right.
Okay.
Okay, so what will be the changes then?
Position on the left.
Yeah.
Turn to the right.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
There you go. So that's why once you understand the one is, and that makes it easier to do the another one.
Yeah.
And they're all kind of interlinked with each other, but they all have some differences as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we can do, we can go out and turn left and keep it to left hand side and do the forward right.
Okay. Yeah, I can do.
Okay. Reverse out in here then. Reverse to the right.
I need to be lined up with that side, yeah.
So keep going back, keep going back. Go close to the line. No, too much turning. Keep turning to the right.
Keep turning. So,
Yeah.
Yep.
Keep going back. That's enough. Keep going back. Look at the car. Look at the line, how far back is going. Yeah?
Yeah.
So as going close by the line, more turning to the right. And that way it's going to come out. Keep going. And you see slowly by slowly it's ending up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, making it straight. Good. Go forward now and fix it.
Okay.
Mind you, we're one lock left.
Oh yeah.
Which way?
This way.
Yeah, turn. Get your car straight, please. Okay, Sandeep.
I'm coming too far out.
Right. Your turning is not going to make your car stop until the car's not moving.
Yeah.
So keep moving the car and fix it while you're in the move.
Okay.
That's it. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your steering straight then and go past the van and just try.
Okay.
Good.
And then full turn to the
Yeah.
right.
Start making it straight. Oh, it's not straight yet. Is it straight or not yet?
It's a bit closer to that side still,
Okay.
I think.
And you see the grinding noise it's making?
Yeah.
That's what you need to avoid. You need to keep the car
moving.
moving. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. There.
Good. Okay. Actually, you need to go out and have a look.
Okay.
All round check. What do you think?
So it's very close on the right.
Yeah, is it touching the line or not touching the line?
Not touching the
Not
line.
touching the line, but it's almost going to touch the line,
Yeah.
isn't it? Why?
Because I didn't straighten
Yes, you didn't straighten it enough. That's one thing. Another thing is you just turn the wheel slightly too early.
enough. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you take the reference? F1 or you take the reference as like a lock?
No, F1.
That's right. Because this one was F1 as a lock,
Yeah.
and that one was there,
Yeah.
wasn't it? Okay. So this is the reason why you are having a struggle. So we're going to go out and try again, but this time we're going to try with the F1.
Yeah.
Sorry, with the lock.
With the lock.
Yeah,
Okay.
go. Come a bit wider and then do the turn. Just you don't want to hit the front of the van, yeah?
Yeah.
Watch on anyone on the right. Keep going to the right.
No.
Good. Keep turning to the right and keep it to left hand side. We're going to do the forward right.
Yep.
Position yourself to the left better. Come more to the left. Good. Keep continue going ahead. Keep turning, keep going, but not too much. Just hold it. Keep going.
Until it lines up.
Yeah, it will lines up itself.
There.
That's it. But looking ahead, is it straight yet?
No.
Tiny bit more. Good. Now make it straight. Make it straight. Go. So you are slightly late. That's why you just go another side. Keep going. I'll help you. That's it. Stop. Now do the forward right.
Okay. Keep the wheels
Yeah, yeah.
straight.
And this time we're going for the lock. Yeah.
Yeah. There.
You're not closing your eyes, right?
No.
Okay, fine. Keep going then. Do full lock to the right. Full lock?
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly, no accelerations. What's happening?
I release the brake.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like you're using outside, but it's going to come back.
Yeah.
Okay? Wait for the car getting really, really straight. Tiny bit more. That's better. Do you feel that or no?
Yeah, because it's the bay in front of you that you want
Just
to
making
be.
it straight? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, make it straight then.
Is that the wrong direction?
No, keep
No.
going. Straight the wheel. Straight the wheel. That's it.
There.
Keep going forward. It's not there yet. Tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. That's better. Okay, park, handbrake. Let's go outside. Okay, fine. What do you think?
So again, it's still a bit almost too much to the right.
Good. So in terms of the car position deserve, you need to go slightly bit forward and then do the turn.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so like it's not the door lock or just in the middle or just tiny bit more forward. That's what they think. But again, I would say stick with the door lock for now.
Yeah.
Okay, that way you go the left and right is a perfect positions.
Yeah.
And you go tiny bit angle, but again you're in the bay.
Yeah.
Okay, and that way once you're in the bay,
Yeah.
job done. Okay, and more you practice, you're gonna get better.
Yeah.
Okay, do you need to make a note for the right forward parking, or you're happy with that?
I'll just say turn to the right. No.
So you tell me, what's an update? How are you finding the 4 parkings?
It isn't as hard as it looks.
Uh-huh.
And you will end up where you want to end up eventually.
Okay.
It just doesn't, because normally when obviously you're driving, you look at your mirrors, but your mirrors aren't showing you anything until you're actually closer to the bay. That's why it's like, am I gonna be where I want to be? But yeah, I think, yeah, as long as the reference points are correct and you line yourself up with the forward bay with the bay in front of you, it does work.
Fair enough. Okay, so long as you're practicing and you just keep doing it, you will be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I believe. So now this is a time where we need to have a look backward. Like we've got 3 more parking left. Okay,
Yeah.
the parallel parking, right hand side, emergency stop, and we'll be done with by next week, next lesson.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not an issue as well.